Hello and welcome to Teachings and Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Here we are going to look at some teaching strategies to improve handwriting in students. One of the most basic ways to help students improve their handwriting is to have them trace over the letters in the alphabet. That usually starts at a very young age. The first writing task for any child usually begins with the writing of their name. Name writing is important for obvious reasons. Teachers usually start in pre-kindergarten and use songs and worksheets. Having students complete mazes is another common strategy, one that children find enjoyable. It serves the same purpose as tracing. For the upper grade levels, such as middle and high school, journaling is an excellent strategy to not only get students to work on their handwriting, but it will also provide insight into our students' thoughts. When students begin writing, teachers often provide lined paper, usually the 3-lined format. Students find it easier to write between the lines. Utilize the finger space strategy. Children simply place their finger between words for proper spacing to ensure that words do not overlap. Next, students that struggle with handwriting will be better off writing with a good pen or pencil. Some pencils are excessive in size and are harmful. As a classroom assignment, have students handwrite letters to their friends and family. Most students enjoy this assignment, and they'll also learn the protocols and etiquette that comes with writing a typical letter. Drawing pictures also helps with handwriting. If there's ever a period of free time in the classroom, encourage students with poor handwriting to spend time on drawing. Sitting straight up increases writing stability. Posture provides a solid foundation for written output and increases the attention and focus of the task at hand. Perhaps the most obvious way to help struggling students improve their handwriting is to have them work on their handwriting as much as possible. Practice makes perfect. Using sight words are good for practicing handwriting. That comes from the fact that they don't have to waste time in decoding the words. When students are required to create their own works of writing, such as in middle and high school, provide choice in assignments, have interesting topics. This way you can get more out of them. Some students may continue to have difficulties in writing no matter what the teacher tries. These children may have a writing disability. One of the common causes for the possibility of poor handwriting is that the student is not holding the pen properly. There are right ways to hold a pen and wrong ways to hold a pen. In today's day and age, there are numerous handwriting apps and software available. My son is 5 years old and he used a handwriting tracing app to improve his ability. Interactive writing is a strategy where teachers and students share the pen and collaborate on the writing task assignment together. Lastly, include multi-sensory lesson planning. This includes using the 4 senses. Multi-sensory handwriting approach processes information through various channels in an effort to engage and solidify understanding. Anyway, right now I want to say thank you for your time. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Please hit that likes button, share the video if you can, and be sure to check the description